this is going to be my first tutorial, and this tutorial is for content. So this is the final product. You can stick with this. It's a bling bird, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now.
So here's the materials you will need. The first,
You need these glaze or top coat. Colored gems. I'll be using red, white, and orange. Nail glue or any other kind of glue that dries clear. One eye pin. A stick. It could be a toothpick, it could be anything. Even pencil will work. Red clay, about this much. Orange clay, about this much. And white clay, about this much. And last but not least, you'll need a X-Acto knife. You can also use any kind of blade, but I think X-Acto knife works best. So that's all the things you need. Let's get started. With clean hands, you can apply a little bit of baby oil onto your hand, just a tiny bit. So your skin will stay hydrated and the clay will be hydrated. We're going to start with the parrot's body.
and you take the red clay and just work with the clay so that it can be soft and easy to model with. So now we take the red clay that we worked with and roll it into a circle by putting it on your palm and doing this in circular motions. And we're going to have to make it oval, not circle. So we're going to, on one side, go back and forth and roll it like this until you get this shape. Then you're going to take your X-Acto knife, and you're going to cut a slit right at the side corner, just like that. And you take your fingers and you pinch it up so that it becomes two little triangle things. And this is gonna be the. And now you're gonna put on his white face. And before you do that, you're gonna have a little bit of pink ink on your hand. What you do is just take some hand sanitizer, and it should come off. Sometimes you take the white clay, you play with it a little bit so it can be very soft, and you're gonna flatten it on your surface. Take your X-Acto knife, and you're gonna cut out a heart, but with a flat bottom. And I'll show you what I mean later. So it looks something like this. Let me turn off the light so that you can see it better. Something like that. Okay. Now you're going to shape it and fix the rough edges. And put this onto the bird. Like so. Flatten it out. Fix it a bit. Next we're going to do the beak. And for the beak, you're going to need a little bit. You're going to need a little tiny bit of orange to make the beak. And you just shape it into a beak shape, which is a triangle, an equilateral triangle. You take math, you'll know what I mean. This is what it'll look like. And you put it right on top of the white, like that. So that's that part. Now
That's a little bit screwed up, so I'll fix that. And there you go. You have the bird's tail. And it's going to attach this to the bird. much. And you do the exact same thing for the tail, but this is going to be us. So take the clay, split it in half. Not going to be much, but the same amount as a beak, maybe even a little bit more.
So 2 balls about this size of red clay, and then make a sort of tic-tac shape. You're going to flatten that tic-tac. You're going to take some of the white, once again, do the same thing for the tail. Just going to get a tiny piece this time, not as much as the amount you put on your tail. Put it at the end of the arm and just work your way around it. So it'll look something like this. On the back, so you can touch the arms onto the body, like so. That's arm number 1. Let's make arm number 2. Make a tic-tac, flatten the tic-tac, take some white clay, not too much, not too little. At the end, flatten it out, and there you go. Another similar wing. So look like that. It's looking very cute already. Now you're going to make little claws. So you're just going to take your X-Acto knife and put little dents into the feet. Can't really see that, but just put little lines with my X-Acto knife into the feet. Okay, now the bird is done. You're gonna cook. Oh wait, no, not done yet. You need to put the eye pin into him. So just take the eye pin
And stick it right over. Some of the pin is sticking out, so that's parrot clay. There you go. Oops, I switched the lens. Can you fix it?
There you go. You're gonna put this in the oven and cook it. While you wait for the clay to cook, you can clean up by putting the clay away, the extra clay away, and your knife away, your stick, nail glue, top coat, and your gems.